Hey everybody, hope you're doing okay today. I wanted to kind of give you a little wrap-up video for the safety and health chapter that we've been studying. It's kind of a necessary evil to go over some of this stuff. I know it's not the most exciting part of the class so far, but we just kind of need to go through it. But I want to make sure you understand that OSHA is the governing body that oversees all safety and health issues among companies and manufacturers across our country, and make sure that you understand that there are components of their, in order for companies to be compliant, where they've got to provide safety training, they've got to provide education, they've got to provide documentation of chemicals and things that employees might come in contact with, as well as how to clean up and dispose of these things. So make sure you understand that component of it. Also, each individual manufacturer that you might work for is going to have to comply with that too. So everybody's safety and health um, compliance issues are kind of going to be unique to their operation. But overall, OSHA is making sure that everybody falls underneath falls into compliance with their regulations. Within the printing and graphics industry, obviously there are chemical hazards if you're working along a press or if you're working in pre-press. There are mechanical hazards inside of the press operations and bindery operations with mechanical equipment. All of this equipment is required to have safety guards in place and all of those things, even though some companies may temporarily disengage some of the safety guards. It's really, if you're an operator on that kind of equipment, you need to make sure that those things are working properly, because those are there for your safety. But for the most part, in the smaller shops, everything has kind of gone digital, so there's not a lot of mechanical equipment in the digital printing, with digital printing equipment. There are still bindering, finishing equipment with small digital shops. You do come in contact with some chemicals like inkjet inks, solvent inks, UV inks, that kind of stuff, along with their cleaning chemicals. So just be aware that that's what this chapter is about, is becoming aware of the potential hazards. There's some information about fire safety and fire hazards, the types of extinguishers. Make sure you understand that that section of the chapter. As we move forward past the safety and health chapter, we're getting ready to start our first project, and I'll have that posted soon. We're going to be exploring and preparing files for the offset printing production process. There are several different printing processes out there. Offset printing production is primarily used on larger scale, larger volume type jobs. We're going to be approaching this from a smaller scale, but the preparation is pretty much the same. Just we're planning to produce a smaller type job. But it's really about file preparation, knowing how to prepare your file to hand off to a printer or to upload to a printing company's site. We want to make sure that our file preparation is done correctly, and those are the kinds of things that we're going to be focusing on. But stay tuned for more information, and if you are having any issues, questions, problems, technical issues, certainly feel free to reach out. Just wanted to kind of send this video out to wrap up the safety and health chapter. If you have not submitted your safety audit, or I sent you comments about what you need to do to correct or make some additions to your audit, please get that turned in as soon as possible. That's an easy grade. So get that submitted or resubmitted if I've sent comments to you. Again, thank you. If you have any questions, certainly feel free to reach out and contact me. Have a good day.